Hello, my name is Jason and I'm doing my career project on personal training. The career path I am pursuing is that of personal training. Personal trainers are a service that provide their clients with education on health and fitness, in-person or online coaching, motivation, and help clients set personal goals. About me. My name is Jason Gleihoff. I go to the University of Wisconsin-Platteville. I'm in the HHP department with the emphasis in health promotion. I have a minor in business. I'm from Dodgeville, Wisconsin, and I run track here at the university. My personal strengths would be my social skills. I'm very passionate about what I do. I look the part, and I have accolades. Successful traits for personal trainers would be being passionate, convincing, looking the part, staying disciplined, and provide a variety for your clients. Day in the life at work. Personal trainers get up early to work with morning clients and clients throughout the whole day. Getting personal workouts done is important for personal trainers. Desk work, such as check appointments, post on social media, general business work, etc. Can train clients both in person and online. Important skills to learn in the 21st century would be online coaching. Online coaching can create a wider diversity of clients for you, allow more people to access your programs, and it builds digital relevance around your company or team. Personal training is a very challenging career, largely due to competition and making connections. For competition, you just try to produce a better product than what your competitors are offering. You can do this by having a higher client retention rate, providing your clients with better deals, and also providing more personalized experiences for your clients. Making professional connections is extremely important to get your name out there. Having good connections with people or businesses can promote your organization heavily. So just be respectful to everyone, reach out to people, be very socially active. That's how you'll make good business connections. Technology used in personal training right now is team apps. Team apps allow coaches and athletes to communicate with each other and other teammates. Team apps also allow for easy sharing of content, workouts, goals, achievements, etc. Wearable fitness trackers such as Apple Watches, Fitbits, and Whoop straps all have become very popular recently. These devices record your workouts and monitor your fitness throughout your workout. Also makes it very easy to share your progress with others. In conclusion, personal trainers work long hours, very physically demanding, and you're required to have good social skills. You have to have a physical and digital presence to be successful, and it can require a lot of different technology skills. My citations, and here is my resume. Yeah, thank you for watching.